everyone. I'm your host. This is Madhvi Arekar from Elima India, Nasik. Elima is organization, is a company, international company present in over 80 countries, and millions of people have done our program, our leadership courses, which are available offline as well as online. Work at home is a new normal, yet one element of work which is missing, which is connected to the with leadership. So if I think Mr. Arvind Kulkarni has also joined, so I welcome Mr. Arvind Kulkarni from WNS and thanking him for this wonderful opportunity to given to the LMI organization, and who is also a new NITA head. I would I would like him to address to this gathering. If Arvind Kulkarni, if you can hear me, you can address or say a few words.
Arvindji, you
Arvind
can
Kulkarni,
unmute yourself.
I think he is muted.
All right, does not matter. We will get started.
Okay.
So I thank you, Madhvi, for introducing me. I am Ashok, and you can see my details on the screen. Uh, the very definition of work may have changed, and as we work from home, let me lead you through a series of thoughts, which I'm sure you will like. And the topic today is lead ahead. And leading ahead, we should be doing all the time. And in this time of acute disruption, it becomes essential that we think ahead and lead ahead. Uh, Let me ask you a question. They say that there is lockdown 4 coming, that means things may start opening up. What is the first thing you will do when Corona ends? Okay, you may say, I will jump with joy, smile, some witty response, or you'll say, Kaam shuru kar denge. But seriously, what is the top thing, the top action, the top priority, the first thing to do, professional or personal? If you don't have it on the tip of your tongue, then you haven't started the exploration of planning ahead. And planning ahead really is where you start leading ahead. So let me assist you in getting this thought process started. We will slightly recap the situation. Everybody is watching news, so everybody knows what's happening. But just to get the context right, I will be doing a recap. But there are many perspectives. There are different ways to look at things and different aspects which are important. So I'll touch on them. Then the need for high leadership, and then what are our self barriers that can stop us, and then we have a summing up. We are in the situation already, and a few words on this. Many variables exist. uh, as we move through different perspectives, economy, people, then there is great need for leadership. And when we talk of self barriers, these are your mindsets, how you think about things, and this can be the vital difference between success and failure. What are these? Why are they important? So keep pen and paper handy. Later on in the session, I might be asking you to do a short exercise. If you do not have a pen and paper, this is the time to get hold of one. And I'll pause for a few seconds. At the end, we may have some questions. So if you can put up your questions in the chat function, and we will look through them and try and answer as many as time permits. So let's move forward. So there is a global impact. Everybody knows this. This COVID has spread furious and fast. No one has immunity. This is the first time the world is facing this. Millions will get infected, and many sadly may not make it. Life is valuable, so it's a time for very deep crisis. So this entire world is hit. But not only from the perspective of the human lives, which are very, very important, uh, we have been hit here too in India. And there are GDP impacts that will happen. They say that US will have minus 5%, Europe could have minus 7%. In India, they say it could be 1%. Somebody says it will be flat. Somebody says it might go into minus 0.5. The revival pattern globally will vary. But these are numbers. Nobody really has any kind of understanding because it is such a dynamic situation. All you have is well-meaning statisticians, well-meaning economists telling you their prediction on the basis of as they know anything today. But the things are changing so fast, so there is very little predictability. Uh, there are location aspects, as I said. India will be different, Europe will be different, China will be different, and there'll be different kinds of lockdown. We started with lockdown 1, now we are heading towards lockdown 4. There have been reactive lockdowns, there have been proactive lockdowns. Work at home is a new standard for many. And often this confuses people on what work to do. And sometimes some do as things occur to them, but they do not do it in as professional manner as they should be. Some think this is a big holiday and let's enjoy it. Then after this, there are optimistic people, people like Mr. Trump who says, yeah, sab kuch khol do. There are people like us who think, let it ride its course, it will go away. We may be wistful, shuru ho jaye kuch, but fearful also at the same time. And but we can look at places like Wuhan, where they started off, and in 4 months, Wuhan has restarted. Chinese economy has restarted. It is almost at 80-90% of its capacity right now. But yet, the buying demand is a separate story. And then there are pessimist people who say this will keep going on for years. Unless we have a vaccine, nothing will happen. So, whatever the case may be, whoever is right, the optimist, the pessimist, you are the one who has to lead ahead, and there is no change in this. You, in your situation, whether you are an owner of an enterprise, whether you work for an enterprise, in these times of crisis, you as a person are the one who has to lead ahead. I don't know when the situation will change. Maybe God knows. Maybe even God does not know, as this virus has hit everything so badly. This is just a snapshot of yesterday. There are countries, as you see, where it has gone down. We are still not in the downslide. This is yesterday's figures. So, although we are optimistically opening out with new measures, saying we need to live with it, but how this will proceed, we do not know. It may still go up and then come down to a lower level. It may take longer, not take sudden peak, but be a drawn out thing. We have no idea what will happen. Or it may go up, down, then we open up, somewhere it goes up, then it goes down, then during winter it might increase. We really do not know what is going to happen. However, the leader does not sit. So what does one do? So we look at perspectives. ये नजरिए इन चीजों के ऊपर रखने बहुत जरूरी हैं. And there are some key ones I will be discussing. It depends on where you are. The economic aspects will be very different. We will talk about behavior, we will talk about challenges and riding the tsunami. Okay. So, at the end, if you look at it, this is a snapshot of market capitalization in USA about a couple of weeks back. Now, this will keep changing, but what is very important here is to remember that uh, these areas, some industries will be hit very bad. Aircraft manufacturing, travel industry, oil and gas, because of other reasons also, because of low demand also, because of high capacity also, the banking sector, the insurance sector. Now, when market capitalization occurs, it is the distillation of thousands and millions of people deciding what they perceive as the reality. And this gives us a picture of various things. And on the other end, maybe pharmaceuticals, these may thrive actually in this whole situation. So similar patterns for each country will exist as they go around. So I talked industry-wise. In India, there was a report that the auto-related insurance, capital markets, discretionary item industries, some industrials, and due to global pressures, oil and gas, steel, they are in high turbulence. IT industry is in mid risk. Probably the demand will crop up faster. Pharma and chemicals, depending on what kind of pharma you are, you may be at low risk or very low risk, mid risk in terms of chemicals. Industry staples, food is in low risk zone. So anything which is a essential item to be buying, if you are in the food industry or something, has a low risk zone. The consumption is still there. And for example, today's good news is that the Maruti has started its auto manufacturing plant today. But there is this big question mark: when will the consumer demand arise? There is no economic model which can predict this. Most people, when they are scared, when they are fearful, when they have uncertainty, hold on to their cash. They do not spend. So this is the big question mark of what will happen to the consumer demand. Then again, there are many economists who say that crises like this have a V kind of formation, which means the economy was running, it has suddenly gone down almost to a standstill. And then when this COVID is over, it will go back again. So they call it, there is a V type of recovery. Other economists say, no, it is not a V, it is going to be a U, there will be a flat period, and then it will start rising. Still other people say that this U could be larger. So it may not be as small as this, it may be larger than this. Then there are other variables. They say that this sudden rise may be slow also. So how it will pull out is again unknown. And whether this U will be so small or it will be that large, again, it is not known. We as leaders have to prepare for the time when it is starting to go up. Whether it is starts to go up like this, like this, like this, our planning ahead has to be ready for this period. Only then we are leading ahead. So then I talk of behaviors. So this is a very interesting slide that was put up. Now, if you notice, there is a fear zone. At this time, everybody is frozen because of fear. Then there is a learning zone. People start looking at their emotions. They stop stocking up food. They start looking around at situations. They evaluate information. And then people move out from fear zone into learning zone. पता करो क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं होगा, into the growth zone. In the growth zone, they can start thinking, live in the present and focus on the future. And they try and keep a happy emotional state of mind. They try and look for a way to adapt to new changes. So we have to, as leaders, very rapidly get into the growth zone. We cannot fall asleep here. We cannot be fearful. We cannot be frozen. We have to get into the growth zone. This is the behavior the leader has to exhibit. Now, in uncertainty, जब पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है तो उस वक्त क्या करना चाहिए? So John Boyd, who was an Air Force officer, made this what is called the OODA loop. OODA loop really means कि जो बाहर की स्थिति है, एक्सटर्नल सर्कमस्टांस, ये बड़ी फास्ट चेंज हो रही है, ये नॉर्मल नहीं। सो वन थिंग द लीडर डज इज कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑब्जर्व के क्या हो रहा है, एंड उस डायरेक्शन में जहां ये स्थिति मूव कर रही है अपने आप को ओरिएंट करना उस डायरेक्शन में। सो ऑब्जर्व एंड ओरिएंट, एंड जैसे आप ओरिएंट करना शुरू करते हैं तो आपके पास ऑप्शन निकल आते हैं, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ, ये कर सकता हूँ। तो यू स्टार्ट योर डिसाइडिंग प्रोसेस कि इफ दिस इज लुकिंग लाइक हेडिंग इन दिस डायरेक्शन, व्हाट डू आई डू, एंड देन यू एक्ट. One of the key things of the OODA loop is the key to victory is to be able to make appropriate decisions faster at the rate which this outer environment is changing. अगर आपकी ये लीडरशिप में ऑब्जर्व, ओरिएंट, ऑप्शंस डिसाइड और एक्ट करने की क्षमता इससे फास्टर जा रही है तो आप कुछ हद कंट्रोल में रहेंगे। और डिसाइड जब आप करेंगे तो आपके पास 2-3 ऑप्शंस हो सकते हैं कि भैया एकदम मेरी प्रोडक्शन जो है 20% पे आ जाएगी, फिर सडनली डिमांड आएगी तब मैं क्या करूंगा, और अगर ये बिल्कुल ट्रिकल में आई तब मैं क्या करूंगा। सो as things are moving, you keep building these options and scenarios. This is how you look ahead at what is coming ahead in uncertain times. This is a very powerful thing, the OODA. So let me get back to the tsunami. There will be challenges. These will vary from personal situation to circumstance of each person. What are your main challenges? Are the challenges ensuring raw material supply? Are the challenges getting your permissions in order, getting ready to get those permissions? Are your challenges to find customers? What will be the challenge? So think ahead and think of what challenge will arise. As I told you, अगर कल कोविड खत्म हो गया तो क्या करोगे, उस वक्त क्या चैलेंज आएगा आपको, लीडर उसको एडवांस में सोचता रहता है एंड कीप्स ओरिएंटिंग एंड क्रिएटिंग अ प्लान. सो प्लान एंड प्लान वेल इज अ क्लियर मैसेज. बी प्रोएक्टिव बट यू हैव टू प्लान. डू वी हैव अ प्लान कि खाली सोचा है हमने कि यार देखेंगे निपट लेंगे उस वक्त? दैट इज नॉट अ प्लान. सो let me get back to what I'm saying, that we are saying riding the tsunami. The biggest thing which will come in our direction is people safety. When those workers come back, if they have to be checked for fever with a portable thermometer, have you made arrangements for their entry and safe distancing, social distancing? Do you have your other things in ready for their antiseptics and other things? So that is one people kind of dimension. There are people who are dependent on you. You have to ensure safety and guidelines. और लीडर ये नहीं सोचता अभी तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, मैं बाद में देखूंगा. That is not leading, that is हार जाना. या कोई कहता है जब स्टेबलाइज होएगा तब देख लेंगे. ये डेफरमेंट और पोस्टपोनमेंट की सोचे हैं, लीडर ऐसी सोच नहीं करता. नाउ स्टे ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर बिजनेस. आपके कैश फ्लो की क्या सिचुएशन, आपको किसी क्रेडिटर को टाइम मांगना है, डू यू नीड टू लोअर कॉस्ट, वेयर विल यू फाइंड ऑल्टरनेटिव सप्लायर्स, विल यू नीड देम, what payments have priority, what cash flows do you have? So you have to stay on top of your business, think it through, and in this uncertain time have big belief in yourself. You are the person who has been successful, will be successful, and you have to stay calm and lead ahead. Because अगर लीडर ही काम नहीं रहेगा, अगर लीडर ही गुस्से में रहेगा या वो डरा हुआ रहेगा तो उसके पीछे कोई भी कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Let me go ahead to further aspects. So fear freezes you. So वो fear zone से निकलना है, और उससे बाहर जब निकलते हो तो हमारी सोच आ जाती है I can't do anything now, later, delay. ये भी आपको फ्रीज कर रहा है एक डायरेक्शन से. करेज चाहिए लीडर के लिए, it is the essential quality to the path of action. You need courage, and you have to identify and dig in yourself that courage is there. You can move ahead. So some focus areas are emerging. So इतना तो कह दिया मैंने सिचुएशन के बारे में और रियलिटीज के बारे में. तो करना क्या चाहिए? You have to lead yourself, and let me get into this. So leading ahead really at this stage is planning ahead. If you are not doing, if you do not have plans ready, half written plans, full written plans, but down on paper, not just in your mind, and you have to look to involve others. कल को अगर आपने फैक्ट्री को सैनिटाइज करना है, आप तो जाके नहीं करेंगे, आपका कोई की ऑपरेशंस मैनेजर करेगा. Involve that person, because they will bring out practical things for which you need to plan ahead. So involving others is very big. Then you have to work to multiple time views, and I will go into detail and tell you a method on how to do this and what this means. This is critically important. ये normally नहीं जरूरत पड़ता जब नॉर्मल स्टेट में काम चल रहा हो, मगर जब chaotic काम हो, जब बाहर का पता ही नहीं क्या हो रहा है, तो वर्क टू मल्टीपल टाइम व्यूज इज द बिगेस्ट टूल अ लीडर हैज. एंड एनी पर्सनल गैप्स विद इन यू विच कैन लेट यू डाउन, जब एन मौका आएगा तो आपकी कोई कमी जो है वही आपको हरा दे, तो उस कमी को पहले से ही पूरा करके रखो. सो लीड अहेड मीन्स प्लानिंग अहेड. So you have to start planning in writing, and I'll give you exactly methods on what you should be doing. As I said, multiple time views. This is not normal situation, so this multiple time view perspective is very important. And any personal gaps which can let you down must be covered. Let me get into what this can mean. So what can you plan ahead on? You can plan ahead on people's safety. You can plan ahead on transparency with customers. Okay, if your customer does not know when you are going to come on stream, he or she will find alternate suppliers. So you have to be in contact. You have to look at your supply chains, माल कहाँ से आता है, and find out what is their situation. Observe. अगर आपको पता चला कि उनको प्रॉब्लम है, तो यू हैव टू ओरिएंट योरसेल्फ टू लुक फॉर न्यू सप्लाई चेन सोर्सेस. देन यू हैव टू फिगर आउट योर वर्किंग कैपिटल एंड कैश फ्लोज. होपफुली एज देयर इज अ ह्यूज स्टिमुलस ऑफ 2 lakh crores, 20 lakh crores coming our way, there will be some possibilities that for the medium and small industries in particular, some working capital guarantee for additional working capital is expected to be announced. Also, there may be credit guarantee schemes which may help you for other cash flows. So what are these? You have to observe and orient so that at the right time you have started before time. If you start late, so those banks will be so full, they will not have time for you. So be ahead of the curve, as they said. There are virtual learning possibilities. अगर आप में कोई gap है, या अगर आप virtual technology use कर रहे हैं, everybody is using Zoom now. So can you use this in the future? And you have to up your planning skills. Whatever your thing is, this is one of the most essential things. If you have low planning skills, it will let you down. Now, when you are nearing end point of the crisis, you need to figure out scenarios. कितने पे मेरा मिनिमम काम शुरू हो सकता है, ये सोचा है आपने कभी कि मेंटली सोचा नहीं जी मेरा 20% होगा, 30% होगा? Does that tie up with social distancing required inside? You need to plan on scenarios. If I have to start at the barest minimum, what is the barest minimum I can? Then who will be the people? You need to really develop top action master list. So मैंने आपसे शुरू में पूछा था, what is the first thing you will need to do? Maybe you'll say, okay, I'll need to apply for permission. You need a plan for that. Okay, after the permission, I need to have to sanitize my factory. You need a plan for that. उसके बाद क्या एक्शन करना है? मेरे को जी अपने वर्कर्स को कांटेक्ट करना, कौन अवेलेबल नहीं है. उसके बाद क्या करना है? मेरे को सप्लाई देखना है. उसके बाद क्या करना है? इफ यू कीप आस्किंग व्हाट next action. अच्छा ये हो गया, what next action? You will build a master list of actions. Then you can prioritize. हाँ इसमें ये भारी वाले आइटम है, ये वाला ये वाला ये वाला ये वाला ये तो सबसे पहले करना है, उसके बाद ये बी वाले ये करने हैं, उसके बाद सी वाले करने हैं. You need a master list of actions to be done to when you are nearing the end point, which is coming, because COVID-4 will be announced on 15th of July, and after 18th of July it will be operative. So you need to start planning very quickly. You need to reimagine and readjust to the new normal. यूज योर टीम्स कि भैया ये तो ऐसे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. अकेला आदमी सोच लेता है काफी, मगर अगर 4 दिमाग लग जाएं तो कई दफा हल जल्दी निकल आता. Then solution centric thinking. Many people have thoughts, oh this is a problem, what can I do? No, you have to train, the leader has to train himself or herself in saying, okay this is the problem, what are the solutions? And finally, this is cost discipline will be the reality of many people for even 1 year. Where do you need to exercise cost discipline? Where do you need to renegotiate things? Where do you need to cut down on? If you have not thought it through, आप तो bleed करके आपकी जो cash है वो खत्म हो जाएगी. So many things to do. This is work to do. This is the leader's job. This is the leader's work. All these things which I mentioned. So how do we do this? What is the pattern you can follow which will be safer for you? So plan for different time use, as I said. Now, multiple time horizons. One time horizon is 2 weeks. And why I say that? After 2 weeks, things may have changed, so you may need to reorient. Observe, orient. Observe, orient. That is the reason we have this 2-week plan. Then you need a 2-month plan. Okay, this is going to open out on 18th of May. What do we do in the next 2 months? Bottom line. उसके बाद में next 2 quarters. ये 3 महीने हो गया, अगला 3 महीने हो गया. And later on, when things stabilize, you can start thinking maybe long term. But these time horizons are a must, because unless you do this, you will not be able to observe the entire external things and orient yourself. These are essential for success. So let's see what this 2 weeks horizon mean. It's a rolling plan. Rolling plan means आज अगर आपने प्लान बनाया, 2 हफ्ते बाद बैठ के नया प्लान अगले 2 हफ्ते का बनाना. So that is why it's called rolling. उसके बाद में फिर बराबर 2 हफ्ते का और आगे का बनाना है. So every coming 2 weeks, every Friday you sit down and you work out next 2 weeks plan. Then next Friday you work next 2 weeks. Don't wait for 2 weeks. Keep it week on week so that you have a 2-week time horizon covered. There are a lot of things which will come up, and these will be operational detail. These will be execution detail which will come up into these plans. So maybe you need competence in Zoom, but what happens if Zoom fails? Skype पे जाओगे, Meet पे जाओगे, Meet आता है नहीं आता है, कोई क्लाइंट बोलेगा कि जी मेरे को तो WebEx के ऊपर मीटिंग करो, आपको WebEx का पता है कुछ है. तो ये छोटा छोटा काम जो जितनी देर बंद है, ये काम तो सीख के निपटा लो. Then people safety for the current next 2 weeks. काम बंद है नहीं है, आपके बंदे सेफ है नहीं है, उनको फोन कर लो, पूछ लो. People safety आगे जाके क्या करोगे is one aspect. अभी वो safe है कि नहीं है. If you have a guard in your factory, is that guard safe? Then this is the time for building relationships, both with your vendors and your customers. You have to make goals like saying कि ये वीक में मैं 2 दफा खैर खबर पूछूंगा अपने कस्टमर, मैं 4 कस्टमर को फोन करूंगा, कोई ऑर्डर नहीं मांगने का, साहब ठीक हो नहीं हो. सो बिल्डिंग रिलेशनशिप्स आर थिंग्स यू कैन डू इन दिस टाइम होराइजन. एंड आपका क्लेम कहाँ से पैसा लेना है, आपको कहाँ पैसा देना है, इसके कंटैक्ट में रहना, ताकि आप कल को ले सके पैसा, और जहां देना है उसको अपने हिसाब से स्टेज के हिसाब से चला सके. तो ये आपकी कांस्टेंट थिंकिंग में एवरी 2 वीक्स में. और किसके साथ में मेरे को कोलैबोरेट करना है, वेयर डू आई नीड टू गेट अदर पीपल, within the organization, outside the organization. These could be collaboration aspects with the government agencies, other people. So these are the types of things which happen in 2 weeks horizon, and you have to keep in touch with people and find out उधर क्या हो रहा है, कस्टमर एंड पे क्या हो रहा है, उनका डिमांड कब खड़ा होएगा, वो क्या सोचते हैं, कैसा खुलेगा, कैसा मामला खुलने वाला, हफ्ते हफ्ते उनका सिचुएशन चेंज होएगा. यू नीड टू स्टे इन टच बिकॉज दिस इज योर ऑब्जर्वेशन पॉइंट, जिसके हिसाब से आप अपने आप को ओरिएंट करेंगे. गोइंग फर्दर, you need to upskill yourself. If you have gaps, if you cannot make quick, fast plans, if your responsive speed is low, go into the internet, do some upskilling. It's easy for me to say LMI का course कर लो, मगर कुछ तो करो. Then I'll give you example of 2 months plans. So if you have no revenues or low revenues, how do you manage? What is your plan? This is a reality facing many of us. Cost reduction plan. A organization, any company who do not have a cost reduction plan are going to suffer in the uncertain times. Do you have a plan for this? You need these plans. People plan. Okay, they say start 20%, then who are these people with which you will start these 20%? If suddenly demands comes up, you need more people. What is the people plan? How do you get them to office? How do you get them safely? Social distancing, masks, antiseptic, hand wash, safety, and people. वो ये तो नहीं है वो माइग्रेंट है वो निकल गया है अभी उसके बदले मैं क्या करूंगा. You need a people plan. You need a plan to restart operations, whatever scale you restart on, or restart. Even if you have some operations going, as demand comes up, how do you restart and scale up to other things? Then your vendor relationships. Again, this is double. One is you have to keep relations with your vendor. You have to understand his or her situation. You have to understand whether this vendor will be there or not. The sad truth is we were depending a lot on very small businesses. They were dependable, but they were running from one cash flow cycle to another cash flow cycle, and some of them may have got wiped out. Some of them maybe they are wanting to do business, they have no cash. So vendor relationships, अगर difficult time है तो वो संभल जाएगा कभी, तो उसको सहानुभूति करो, उसको show empathy. And if they are not in that situation, you will get to know what their situation is so that you can plan accordingly. Similar thing for customer relationships. You have to keep in touch with them and find out observe what is happening in the external environment. Both these things are in the external environment, and that is what you have to observe apart from the COVID. Then do you have diversification options? I think there will be a lot of options coming out. Sometimes you may be in textiles and you may say, मैं PPE equipment बना दूंगा, ये personal protection equipment. Do you need to diversify? This is the time to think and plan on that. बाद में तो इतना लोग आ जाएगा कि वो opportunity खो जाएगा. Then you need market intelligence. उधर क्या हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है? जैसे गुजराती कहते हैं, तपास करो, find out what's happening. These are what you do. Not in those 2 weeks, but in a regular sense. And all of these must feed into a plan, and a written plan, as I mentioned. And upskill yourself again is something. If you have any gap in your competence, in the ways you manage, in your planning skills, in anything else, this is the time to do something about it. These are examples. Your list must include your realities and circumstance. So these are just examples. So one of the things for you till now, what I have said is you must get started every Friday. You have to work a 2-week rolling plan, and you have to get in the next week and start your 2-month plans going. Going to 2-quarter plans. Use written plans. I keep mentioning this planning word, but this is essential. If you do it haphazard, nothing will come about. So if you do not have plans in writing, बाकी तो ख्वाब है, सपने हैं, आपको अपने दिल को बहलाने वाला बात. You need a finance plan. Next 2 quarters, what are you going? What is your finance plan? Do you need to take credit? Where will you get credit from? अगर आपका 30% प्रोडक्शन है, कैसे गला चलेगा? अगर 40% पे जाना है, क्या करना है? Finance plan in writing. Cash flow plan is very very important. Otherwise you can stump yourself. पता चला hit wicket हो गया, अपना cash flow plan ने अपने आप को खत्म कर दिया, demand भी आ गया, अभी you are not running because you did not look at this. Operations restart plan, and I mean this to a fuller level. Some economists say if there is no second wave of infections, probably by the time Diwali is there, the demand situation will be robust. After all, there was nothing wrong with the country. It is this छोटा virus कीड़ा जिसने हमें खराब कर दिया है. Country में तो problem नहीं था. So if it demands resurfaces, then what is your restart plan to take advantage of full operations? So getting to full capacity plan is something you need to think about in the beginning only. Again, people plan for that aspect, and again keeping, but supplies, logistics, sales. So depending on what industry you are in, depending on your circumstance, but these are some key essential plans which you should have in detail, not in your mind, because if they are in your mind, they are dreams and fantasy. वो अपने दिल के बहलाने वाला बात है, वो practical बात नहीं है. And the entrepreneur, the businessman, the professional is not somebody जो अपने आप के साथ में खेल कर. So remember, there is a crisis perspective and there is a plan ahead perspective. दोनों अलग अलग है, दोनों exist करने चाहिए. And they say people who have good plans achieve good success. It has also been said that people who have little plans, बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं है, उनको थोड़ा सक्सेस मिलता है. What of those who do not plan at all? उनका क्या होगा? तो हम उनकी गिनती में नहीं आना चाहते. We should not be amongst these people because they are the people who get run out. They stump themselves because they have not led. So plan ahead and lead ahead. Now there are barriers within us, and we will do a short exercise. I will show you some list of competencies. These are things जो बहुत जरूरी हैं हम सब में. इसमें से 5 आपको निकालना है जो आपको एसेंशियल है, जिनकी वजह से आपको इम्पैक्ट होता है उनकी एब्सेंस की वजह से, जो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. और अगर कल को इसके बाद में आपको इस एक्सरसाइज पे कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन चाहिए तो यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच आउट टू अस बाय ईमेल. We'll be glad to give you free advice, no money involved. The list is like this. So on the top, ability to set right goals, then ability to plan these goals and ability to execute these goals. इन 3 चीज में आपको कहीं गैप तो नहीं. क्या आपका प्लानिंग में टाइम स्पेंड कम जाता है? क्या आपका डेलीगेशन बराबर नहीं है? क्या आप ऑर्गेनाइज्ड नहीं हो? आपका 1 घंटा निकल जाता है, यार मेरा वो चीज किधर गया ढूंढने में. क्या आपकी कम्युनिकेशन उतनी स्ट्रांग नहीं है? डू यू प्रायोरिटाइज एट ऑल, या सुबह आते हो और जो सामने आता है वो खत्म करते हो विदाउट अ थॉट कि मेरे को फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट करना है? आपका टीम वर्क बराबर चल रहा है? आपका अपना टाइम मैनेजमेंट सही चल रहा है? प्रेशर आता है टाइम की वजह से, इंटरप्शन आता है. नाउ मेनी ऑफ दीज, एब्सेंस ऑफ दीज थिंग्स विल हैव इम्पैक्ट हियर. They will produce rework, rejections, on-time delivery, delayed projects, below potential sales, low cost reductions. इनकी absence या interpersonal collaboration, cross-functional, अगर ये कम है, ये वाला चीज और ये वाला चीज, तो इसका results पे impact आएगा. And of course, if you have a gap here, then your between what you want in life and what you achieve, there will always be a big. So right now, think of 5 things on the left side and these top 3 things which are most important for you. write these down, 5 things on a piece of paper. I'll keep quiet for half a minute. Okay, if you have got these 5 things, I assume you would have written down. Then, which is your top one? Think prioritize. ये 5 में सबसे ज़्यादा मार्क किस वजह से पड़ती है? Impact on you in terms of business results. Now, if there is a weakness you have identified, then you convert it by developing yourself into a strength. Go and ask some senior person, I face this problem, what should I do? If you can come and do a LMI course, do the LMI course, or go to the net and do some course, at least find out more, move yourself from that weak state into a normal state, or best would be to improve it to your strength. So questions, anything you can put in your chat box and we can have a look. Madhvi, can you keep looking at the chat if there are any questions?
Yes, sure.
Yeah. At the moment, I'm not seeing any questions. How do you work on your strength to improve better? Ashwani Shringarpure.
Shringarpure, yeah.
So, if you have strengths, then make sure that you spend time on those strengths. You do things where those strengths are used. That is how you become better. Any other question, please? And if you do not have a strength, if it is a weak area, then you must take up some course to develop yourself so that that weak area is turned into a strength. It is like developing yourself. Okay, I'll unmute everybody and Arvindji, I will just give me a minute. So I'm unmuting everybody. Questions can be asked.
Yes. Now, those who are willing to ask questions, they should raise a hand and then ask questions so that others can.
Yeah. There is a, in the chat box, there is a hand which you can raise.
I think there are 2 questions in the chat box currently.
Okay, let us have a look.
Yeah. One is from Karishma Vakaria. She says that in times where there is crunch, how do we keep the employees motivated without paying them the full salary right away?
Okay, this is a very important question. One is that if you cannot pay their full salary right away, you must think if you can pay some part of it. But when you talk to them, you have to be very empathetic. उनका पेन समझना चाहिए. हाफ द टाइम लोग सोचते हैं कि हमारी स्थिति समझ नहीं रही, और आप अपना भी बताइए उनको कि कैश क्रच है, हम वर्क कर रहे हैं इसके ऊपर, और मगर उनकी स्थिति को अंडरस्टैंड करें. Ashwani says, what should be your 2-quarter plan execution? You see, first thing is developing your plan. Now, when you talk of a plan, the plan has 2 parts to it. One part is what is the objective to be done, and the other is how to do it. And if that how to do it must be in a plan, and You need to learn execution skills apart from planning skills. And 2-quarter plan execution, as I said, we have very distinct areas that if you need to restart, if you need to arrange more credit. So these are slightly longer term plans anticipating ahead. So Mr. Chanyado Chupade says, sir, in times of crisis, is a leader the one who predicts the future based on past knowledge and experience or not? Someone who creates a future despite of the past and plans accordingly. Normally, leaders have created a future despite of past and plans accordingly. Take Elon
तुम्ही
Musk,
एकट्या आहात का मावशी?
who made Tesla. He predicted the future and he made it accordingly. But these are not, these are times of acute crisis. When the world war happens, when COVID happens, then those dimensions do not happen. Past experiences are no good. So you have to navigate yourself safely during the current period. And as this period ends, then you create a future, despite of past and plan accordingly. You can always overcome circumstance. You can always create a future, but this is not the time for that. Time of crisis, there is no prediction possible because there is no past experience which relates to this. You have to work in a live environment. This is like a battlefield going on right now. इसमें वो वाला इस वक्त तो it is the battle. It is not the full war which you are fighting, which means survival over the next 2 weeks, over next 2 months and 2 quarters that you can focus. So, Ashwini, I will send you a copy of the 2-quarter plan and by email. Is that all right? Ashwini has asked to share the 2-quarter plan. Then perspectives in various sectors are from fear, learning zone, and growth zone. So we have to, as individuals, we have to move ourselves from the fear zone into learning and growth zone, which means we cannot be frozen. A leader is not frozen. The leader is trying his or her best to move ahead. Prashant says, how important is goal setting? I think goal setting is the most important thing in the world. If you do not have written goals, if you do not have goals that are sort of well planned out, everything will go haywire. So Arvindji, I would like to end here with asking you to give some comments. Arvindji?
I think he's muted. He's muted. Ashok sir, he's muted.
Okay. Let me check. I have unmuted all. They can unmute themselves.
Yeah, I think it's unmute now. Can you hear me?
Yes, please.
Yes.
Okay. Ashok sir, it was actually a very informative session. In fact, I thought of asking few questions in between, but I thought let others continue with the questions and we can do a session in time. All the plans, what plans and executions and the way how business should and the way employees should be treated, the business should look at them. All these things, you know, which are of utmost importance for the industry or the business as of this time. And I think you have thrown enough light on all those issues. And the questions asked by participants itself can give this layout. And definitely we will go ahead with the suggestions that you have put in forth for our understanding and implementation more particularly. And that is how the business would run. In the meantime, I have a small question which I will just ask you. See, when you say that we have to plan and execute, and there was one more word. So what I'm saying is there any change in the thought process, COVID and post-COVID?
See, the goal will always be a goal when you do your planning. It has to be run by a regular schedule of planning. Your planning should be very clear on the simple things: what, why, when, where, how, who, how much, and in how much time. So only the items will change during the COVID, and post COVID it will change. The goal will become different. The nature of goal will change, but the planning process is always the same. So when you are in crisis, your first thing is you have to plan of survival. And once you are out of that survival phase, then you plan for growth. So that will be the major thing.
Okay.
I hope that answers.
Yeah. One more, maybe you someone would feel that it's a very stupid question, but let me ask. You know, now the crises are there. It's almost 2 months now.
Yeah.
In a week's time, we would touch the second month closure. Does the industry have that much of capacity to pay their employees under such circumstances of crisis for 2, 3, 4 months? And if it is not there, how company or the organization can create such capacities going ahead, looking into this particular issue or crisis? And if we look into future that, okay, there would be some crisis, how this can be tackled?
So, sir, let me be very honest with you. The crisis is not yet over. We are moving into lockdown 4. But mark my words that as we approach the end of this month, we will see a lack of cases and going up to maybe 2 lakh cases. So this is not going to go away. Our next reality will be zones which are containment zones and zones which are not containment zones. So some kind of economic activity will come up. However, the pressure is still not over. The cash flows have been impacted. The people do not have cash, and there will be organizations who will not survive. Let me be very, very honest. So for the entrepreneur, the biggest thing is to plan ahead the cash flows and the finance. And if you do not have a financial plan, no amount of operations plan is going to save you, because money is money. And I hope and I expect that today at 4 o'clock, Nirmala Sitharaman, the finance minister, is opening out whatever the details are of what Mr. Modi announced yesterday. There definitely would be access to capital under that scheme, both for working capital and for other needs. And I am sure that that will be there. However, my worry is the execution of those plans. So our governments have had like GST happened, it is very good, but the execution was not as good. So today's incentives which they will be announced. So till now what have been happening is relief measures. The stimulus measure is coming today. Now access to that, how easily we access. If they say, okay, there is credit guarantee scheme or SIDBI will do this, and again it goes into bureaucratic things, then between intent of what the government gave the stimulus for and the actual situation on the ground, I am more fearful of that. There will certainly be some places, but every entrepreneur, this is the time to marshal resources from wherever you can. Because जो business का cycle है, वो खत्म हुआ and cash की requirement होएगी. You need to stagger. For example, if you have 3 months payment due to labor, you can say, okay, from July we are restarting. You will get your full month's payment, and जो पुराना है वो 10% करके हर महीने we will clear. So you have to have a plan for that. That is why I emphasize the word that you need a plan. You need to plan, and there are no easy answers to your question.
That's right. Maybe this crisis has provided further opportunities to some of the businesses which are growing like, crazy.
Yeah. and you should see where you can get into that train if you possible. I'd like to make this offer which I mentioned in between. Anybody who has any kind of query, this is my email ID. Please feel free to write to me. I do not consult normally on business issues, but these are times of crisis. If I can help you out in thinking through something, I will do so. And again, I would reiterate, I am not asking money for it. So you are free to send me an email. I will engage with you. जितना मेरे में दम है मैं जवाब दूंगा और जितना मेरा experience है उसके हिसाब से. If it can be of help to you, I would gladly do it. Again, this is not कि मेरे से consulting करो. Anybody who is right now on this forum, this is my email ID. Send me an email, and I promise I will be responsive and answer.
So nice of you, sir. Thank you very much. Thanks to LMI on behalf of all the participants here for giving us this wonderful opportunity to be with you and hear out your thoughts for business operation. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thanks, Madhvi. Thanks so much.
Yeah. Thank you. So thank you to Arvind sir also for giving us this opportunity, and I thank you Ashok sir for giving a very wonderful insight and covering several points on how to lead ahead, like how to ride the tsunami, or maybe planning for multiple horizons, or maybe benefits of conquering our negative thoughts. So I wish everyone to stay positive and stay safe and have a nice day.
Thank you.
I think
stay safe.
We'll end the session. Thank you, Arvind sir, once again.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you once again.